So after that, I just subtract these two equations. 2 minus 2x minus 2x here I get 0 plus 3y minus 8y I get negative 5y equals to 6 minus 16 I get minus 10. So minus 5 equals to minus 10. So my value of y equals to 2. Yes, hope we are still together. So you have eliminated the x for this part here because you wanted to find the value of y, and you found the value of y, the value of y, which is 2 for this first equation. So let's find the value of x. So for the value of x, we first write our equation again here, which is 2x plus 3y equals to 6, then x plus 4y equals to 8. So for this part here, since we want to eliminate the y part, you get the quotient of 3, you write it here down. Then the quotient of the quotient of y in this first linear equation, you write it here down. Then the quotient of y in this second equation, you write it there. So I multiply 4 times 2, 8x. You multiply this 4 by 3 out the whole linear equation. So 4 times 2, I get 8x plus 4 times 3, I get 12y equals 4 times 6, I get 24. Yes, so 3 times x here I get 3x plus 3 times 4 I get 12y equals to 3 times 8 I get 24. So if I subtract these two equations, 8 minus 3 I get 5x, 12y minus 12y I get 0, obvious case, equals to 24 minus 24 I get 0. So my 5x equals to 0. If I divide both sides by 5, my value of x equals to 0. Yes, here for the elimination is very easy. Just get at first you can eliminate the x. If you're eliminating the x, just get their quotients and multiply it by the first linear equation. Then you get the quotient of x from the second linear equation, and you multiply it by the first linear equation. So let us go to the next example. So you have this number here. Let's find the solution. I have 3x minus 4y. X minus 4y equals to 10. Then I also have 2y minus x. X equals to 2. So you realize that this equation here is not in the format of x and y, it's in the format of y and x. So we're going to first change it. Let us write it very well. So you have 3x minus 4y, my first equation. Then write the second equation very well, which is minus x plus 2y equals to 2. So the quotient of x in this first equation is 3. Write the 3 here. The second equation, the quotient is negative 1. It is negative 1. So multiply negative 1 times 3, which is negative 3x. Negative 1 times negative 4y, this is positive 4y. Negative 1 times 10, get negative 10. So I have 3 times x, negative x, I get negative 3x, plus 3 times 2y, it is 6y, equals to 3 times 2, which is what? This is 6. So if I subtract negative 3x minus negative 3x, I get 0. 4y minus 6y, I get this is 2y, but it's a negative since 4 is smaller than 6. Negative 10 minus 6, negative 16. So minus 2y equals to 16, and y equals to 8. Yes, so my y in that equation, the value of y equals to 8. So let us find the value of x now. So this so I write 3x minus 4y equals to 10, and minus x plus 2y equals to 2. So for this case here, here I eliminated the x, so here I want to eliminate the y. So I write the quotient of y in this first equation, which is negative 4, and the quotient of x of y in this second equation, which is positive 2, and I multiply it by those equations. So 2 times 3 I get 6x, minus 2 times 4 I get 8y, equals to 2 times 10 I get 20. Yes, then negative 4 times negative x, this one, in this case I'll get a positive x. Negative 4 plus 2y, this is times 2y, get negative 8y, equals to negative 4 times 2, here I get negative 8. Yes, I get negative 8. So I subtract 6 minus 4, I get, here I get 6 minus 4, I get 2x. This one I get minus 8y minus, this is a 0, equals to 20 minus negative 8, this is 28. So my 2x equals to 28. If I divide by 2 here, my x will be equals to 14. Yes, so for the second equation, my y equals to 8 and my x equals to 14. Yes, so let us look at this third equation. So for the third equation, if you look at these two equations, they're already in their format. X is first and y is second, then x is first and y is second. So if I try to use elimination in this, if I try to use elimination, this is 5x minus y equals to 10, then minus x plus y equals to 6. So here I'm trying to eliminate my x, so I write here the 5. This one is negative 1, I write it here. So I multiply negative 1 times 5, I get negative 5 x, here minus 1 times negative y, I get plus y equals to minus 10. So here I get minus 5x, here I get plus 5y, here I get 30. If I subtract these two equations, this one will cancel and I get 0 here, plus y minus 5y, I get minus 4y. Yes, minus 4y equals to minus 10 minus 30, this is minus 40. So my value of y equals to 10. Yes, my value of y equals to 10. Because of this minus 10 minus 30, I get minus 40. Then here I get 10. So here we are eliminating trying to eliminate the x. So if you try to eliminate the y also, which is this becomes 5x minus y equals to 10, then minus x plus y equals to 6. So try this time we are eliminating the y sum. I get the quotient of this y value. The quotient is positive 1, I write it here. The quotient of this y value is negative 1, I write negative 1 there. So I multiply 3. If I multiply by 1 through the first linear equation, I remain with my same equation that side. If I multiply 3 by negative 1, here we get x minus y equals negative 6. So this is going to become a this is a minus, sorry, because 1 times minus y still remains like that. So if I subtract the two equations, 5 minus x, I get 4x. Yes, it's 10 minus 6, here I get 16. Yes. And if I divide 4x out of 16, so my final answer for x will be equals to 4. Yes. So here my final answer for x will be equals to 4. So this is how we can use elimination method to solve those simultaneous equations. So you can try out this. You can pause the video and try it out and see whether you can get my value of x equals to 3.5 and the value of y equals to 1 out of 2 or 0.5. So thank you very much for giving me time. If you have finished this YouTube video, it has been of great help. Thank you very much.